Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man, Online Seller, back with another video. And today, we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce. Listen, starting an online store can be a game changer for your business, but choosing the right platform? That's crucial. We're talking about the foundation of your online empire here, people. So whether you're just starting out or you're already running a successful brick-and-mortar store, this video is your one-stop shop for finding the perfect e-commerce platform. We'll break down the pros and cons, the features, the pricing, everything you need to know to make the right decision. Hey, what's up everyone? Starting your very own online store? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're going to break down the best platforms for your startup e-commerce store. Whether you're looking for something simple or a feature-packed platform, I've got you covered. So, let's dive in. First up, we're talking about the 800-pound gorilla in the room, the one you've definitely heard of, Shopify. This platform has become synonymous with e-commerce, and for good reason. This platform is like the iPhone of e-commerce, super user-friendly, sleek design, and it just works. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, Shopify's intuitive interface makes it easy to get started. Seriously, even your grandma could probably set up a Shopify store after watching a couple of tutorials. The step-by-step guides and extensive documentation make the setup process a breeze, but don't let that fool you. Shopify is packing some serious heat under the hood. It's not just about looking good, it's about performing well too. We're talking about powerful features like built-in marketing tools, abandoned cart recovery, and SEO optimization. These tools are designed to help you attract and retain customers, driving more traffic to your store. And let's not forget the massive App Store to customize your store to the max. With thousands of apps available, you can add functionalities like email marketing, social media integration, and advanced analytics. Now let's talk about what really matters. Getting those sales. Shopify's robust analytics tools give you insights into your sales performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. Shopify has got you covered with a seamless checkout experience, multiple payment gateways, and a secure payment process. This ensures that your customers have a smooth and trustworthy shopping experience. And if you're selling offline too, Shopify's POS system integrates your online and physical store sales, providing a unified experience for your business. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any platform, Shopify has its challenges and limitations. Shopify does come with a monthly fee, which can add up, especially for small businesses or startups. It's important to factor this into your budget, and you'll be hit with transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. These fees can eat into your profit margins, so it's crucial to consider your payment options carefully. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? The value you receive from Shopify's comprehensive features and reliable performance often outweighs the costs. And with Shopify, you're paying for a platform that can take your business from zero to hero. Countless success stories attest to the platform's ability to scale with your business, supporting growth and expansion. Plus, the Shopify community is a treasure trove of resources. From online forums to a dedicated support team, you're never alone in your e-commerce journey. Looking ahead, Shopify continues to innovate, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of e-commerce solutions. Whether it's new features or improved integrations, Shopify is committed to helping you succeed. So if you're looking for a reliable all-in-one e-commerce platform, Shopify is definitely worth considering. It's a powerhouse that can help you build, manage, and grow your online business with ease. All right. So maybe you're more of a hands-on person, a bit of a techie. You like to tinker, customize, and build things your way. Well, my friend, WooCommerce is your jam. This bad boy is a WordPress plugin, which means you need a WordPress website to use it. But once you've got that set up, the world is your oyster. WooCommerce gives you complete control over your online store. We're talking custom themes, endless plugins, and the ability to tweak every little detail to your liking. It's like building your dream car from scratch. You get to choose everything from the engine to the paint job. And the best part? WooCommerce itself is free. That's right, absolutely free. You only pay for things like hosting, domain name, and any premium themes or plugins you choose. But here's the catch. With great power comes great responsibility. You're in the driver's seat now, which means you're responsible for security, updates and backups. So, if you're not comfortable getting your hands dirty with a little bit of code, WooCommerce might not be the best fit. But don't worry, there are countless resources available to help you out. From detailed tutorials to community forums, you're never alone in this journey. You can even attend webinars and online courses to deepen your understanding and master the art of WooCommerce. Imagine the satisfaction of launching your very own online store tailored exactly to your vision. It's a rewarding experience like no other. And when those first sales start rolling in, you'll know all your hard work has paid off. The sense of accomplishment is truly unparalleled. Of course, there will be challenges along the way. Technical issues, customer queries, and constant updates can be daunting. But remember, you don't have to do it all alone. Collaborate with others, seek advice, and build a support network. With persistence and dedication, you'll overcome these hurdles and achieve milestones you never thought possible. So, if you're ready to take control and build something amazing, WooCommerce is waiting for you. Embrace the challenge and become the DIY king of your online store. Chapter 3. Wix, the beginner-friendly builder. Okay, let's be real, not everyone wants to spend hours learning code or figuring out complicated dashboards. Some people just want a simple, straightforward way to build a beautiful online store. And for those people, we have Wix. Wix is like the drag-and-drop king of e-commerce. Their website builder is so intuitive, it's almost impossible to mess up. You can literally drag and drop elements, add products, and customize your store's look and feel with just a few clicks. And the best part? Wix has a free plan that lets you get started without spending a dime. Of course, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan if you want to connect your own domain name or accept online payments, but the pricing is very competitive. However, Wix does have its limitations. It's not as feature-rich as Shopify or as customizable as WooCommerce. So if you're planning on building a massive online empire, Wix might not be the best platform to scale with. Chapter 4. BigCommerce, the enterprise-grade solution, all right. Now we're moving into the big leagues. When it comes to e-commerce, there are platforms and then there are platforms. BigCommerce falls into the latter category, offering a robust, enterprise-grade solution for serious online retailers. If you're serious about e-commerce, like really serious, and you're planning on selling a ton of products, BigCommerce is the platform for you. It's designed to handle extensive product catalogs and high-volume sales, making it ideal for businesses with big ambitions. This is the platform that powers some of the biggest online stores in the world, and for good reason. BigCommerce offers unparalleled scalability and flexibility, allowing businesses to grow without worrying about outgrowing their e-commerce solution. BigCommerce is built for scale. Whether you're managing thousands of products or dealing with a surge in traffic during peak shopping seasons, this platform can handle it all seamlessly. It can handle massive product catalogs, high-volume traffic, and complex order fulfillment processes without breaking a sweat. This means you can focus on growing your business, rather than worrying about technical limitations. Plus, it comes with a ton of built-in features that other platforms charge extra for, like abandoned cart recovery, real-time shipping rates, and professional reporting tools. These features are essential for optimizing your sales and improving customer satisfaction. And if you're planning on selling on multiple channels like Amazon, eBay, or Facebook, BigCommerce has got you covered. The platform offers seamless integrations with all the major marketplaces and social media platforms, so you can manage your entire online business from one central location. They offer seamless integrations with all the major marketplaces and social media platforms, so you can manage your entire online business from one central location. This level of integration ensures that your inventory, orders, and customer data are always up to date, no matter where you're selling. But all this power comes at a price. BigCommerce is definitely not the cheapest option out there. However, the investment can be well worth it for businesses that need a reliable, scalable solution. BigCommerce is definitely not the cheapest option out there. Their pricing plans reflect the advanced features and capabilities they offer, which are geared towards businesses that are already generating significant revenue. Their plans are geared towards businesses that are already generating significant revenue. So if you're just starting out, it might be a bit overkill. However, for established businesses looking to scale, BigCommerce provides the tools and support needed to take your e-commerce operations to the next level. In summary, BigCommerce is an enterprise-grade solution designed for serious e-commerce businesses. With its robust features, scalability, and seamless integrations, it offers everything you need to manage and grow a successful online store. While it may come with a higher price tag, the value it provides can be a game changer for businesses ready to take their e-commerce to new heights. Chapter 5. Choosing the right platform for you. So, there you have it, folks. We've covered 4 of the best e-commerce platforms on the market: Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so the best one for you really depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're just starting out and you want a platform that's easy to use and has everything you need to get up and running quickly, Shopify or Wix are great options. If you're more tech-savvy and you want complete control over your online store, WooCommerce is the way to go. And if you're planning on building a large-scale e-commerce business, BigCommerce has the power and features to take you there. No matter which platform you choose, the most important thing is to just get started. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, so the best way to learn is by doing. Outro: the best platform is the one that works for you. So, that was a deep dive into the world of e-commerce platforms. Like choosing the right smartphone, the best platform for you depends on your needs. Need something powerful and versatile? Maybe Shopify's your jam. Want total control and customization? WooCommerce is calling your name. Just starting out and need something user-friendly? Wix has got your back. And if you're going big from the get-go, BigCommerce is ready to scale. No matter your choice, the key is to get online and start building your brand.